going to do some shrimp kebabs. I bought some fresh shrimp from the grocery store, and I'm going to clean it and shell it and put it on some kebabs. So right now I'm actually cleaning it. You know, in the Caribbean, you know, we wash our shrimp with lemon, and you know, all our meats we wash it. So that's something that's, you know, just a habit for me. Some people don't. I do. You know, I take out the little nasties from in there, and you know, get all that stuff out of there. There's some black stuff in there, if you can see that. So I get all of that out, and just to ensure that the shrimp is really clean. You know, sometimes you go to restaurants, I mean, I've worked in a lot of restaurants and they don't clean the shrimp. You know, they don't have time. It's just time consuming. But you know, when you're making it, you know, in a small batch like this, you know, you're gonna have to do it like that. But I always make it a habit to clean that stuff out, because that's all the, you know, the nasties. So today I'm gonna prepare, I'm gonna do some barbecue chicken, some mac and cheese, some coconut corn, and I'm also going to do some turkey burgers and some American style potato salad. I kind of go back and forth, you know, in between my Caribbean and soul food. That's what I specialize in. That's what I cook. I mean, I cook a lot of different things. You know, I cook Chinese food, I can do Italian food, but for today I'm doing